Let's discuss today about the trusted online working sites through which you can earn a passive money by working certain tasks per day. Hello and welcome back to our another video. Today we will talk about the oldest and trusted online working site where many of the workers around the world have joined and they are earning passive money by doing micro tasks in the site. So we are going to talk about micro workers. So here one can do certain tasks and earn passive money, or if you want to get your job done, then you can post your tasks in this site. So in this video I will show you how trusted is this site and what I have earned from this site and is it trusted or not. So first of all, to get started you need an email ID, either Yahoo, Gmail or any Outlook email ID. First of all, open microworker site microworkers.com and you can follow the step of sign up like as creating a Gmail account. You can easily create the account in microworkers. Then after you need to verify your email. You will get email from microworkers in your email ID. So after that, after the sign up process, you will be started with the interface like this as I am showing here. So you will get the jobs in your home page of microworkers after you log into your account. So you can see my ID here. So I have recently $6.47. I haven't done any tasks in span of these 3 to 4 years, so it's still $6.47, but I'll show you how much I have earned in microworkers. First of all, let's discuss what jobs will you get in your ID after you sign up. So here you can see the jobs, like 58 jobs available. So here will be the category of jobs like qualification, testing, mobile application, survey, sign up, click search. So you can get the category of the jobs on the home page. So let's see what jobs are available here. Contest board plus screenshot 5 cents. So you can see the payment of the jobs on the right side. So 5 cent, 10 cent, maximum up to 1.3, or you can get even $2, $5 depending upon the category of the job. Let me show you how trusted is the site and what it offers for the payout option and what I have earned from microworkers. So first of all, let me show you the withdraw that I have done from microworkers. So you can see the withdrawals done from microworkers about 10, 9, 17, 19, 29, 9, 21, $14 from microworkers. So there is no doubt that microworkers is a trusted site through which you can earn money online. So I have the withdrawals done from microworkers. So these are the proof that you can see on your screen, and let's see what payout option does microworkers offer. So let's click on place a new withdrawal request, and here you can see multi payout option that you can withdraw the money on from microworkers. So the first payout option is TransPay, PayPal, Skrill, Payoneer and ATM. So the minimum withdrawal amount is also very low, $9, minimum to $9. So you can withdraw your money from microworkers after you reach $9. Let's talk about the things you need to consider while working on microworkers. So you need to accept the jobs only you can do and complete and submit the proof. So here the main important thing is success rate. You have to keep the success rate of your account up to 75%. So you need to maintain your success rate. That means you need to perform the tasks only you can complete and submit the proof successfully. So don't do any tasks that you don't understand and you cannot complete. If you have the success rate less than 75%, then your account will be hold for review and you will get chance to perform only certain tasks, limited tasks on your account. So don't perform any tasks that you cannot do and you don't understand. So in conclusion, I would like to say that microworkers is one of the trusted online site through which you can earn passive money online by doing certain micro tasks. Like other workers around the world, they have been working on microworkers and earning good amount of money. So you can also check the workers around the world. Click on best workers. Here you can see the list of workers who have earned good amount of money here. So you can also get started on microworkers and earn passive money. First of all, create account on Microworkers and accept the jobs only you understand and you can complete. If you face any problem while creating Microworker account and doing tasks on Microworker, you can comment down on the video or you can join our Discord server. You can ask me any question, any confusion related to Microworker. I will reply you back and show you the steps how to perform the tasks. I'll bring another video on the different categories of tasks and Microworkers, on how to perform and how to submit the proof on the tasks given in the Microworkers. Till then, don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel.